Today, we are going to explore one of Snowflake's most innovative features for privacy enhanced data collaboration, Snowflake Data Clean Rooms. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is a clean room and why should I care about it? Great question. Understanding clean rooms demonstrates your knowledge of Snowflake's advanced capabilities for secure data sharing. More importantly, as data privacy regulations become increasingly strict worldwide, clean rooms represent the future of how organizations will collaborate on sensitive data. So, what are we going to learn today? We will start by understanding what clean rooms actually are. Then, we will explore the key roles involved, and finally, we will walk through some real world scenarios where clean rooms solve critical business problems. Let me start with a simple analogy that will make this crystal clear. Imagine you are a pharmaceutical company and you want to research the effectiveness of a new drug. You need patient data from multiple hospitals, but here is the challenge. Patient data is extremely sensitive and regulated. You can't just ask hospitals to send you their raw patient records, right? This is exactly the type of problem that Snowflake Clean Room solves. Let me show you what I mean by looking at this diagram. As you can see here, we have Hospital A with their sensitive patient data and the pharmaceutical company that needs research insights. Traditionally, if they wanted to collaborate, they would need to share raw data directly. See that risky connection in the middle? This creates huge privacy and compliance risks. But with a clean room, let me show you the solution. Now look at this. We created a controlled environment that secure yellow box in the center, where both parties can analyze data together without exposing the underlying sensitive information. Notice how data flows into the clean room from both sides, but only aggregated insights flow out, never raw data. The magic of clean rooms lies in three core capabilities you can see highlighted in the center. Enhanced privacy, controlled access, aggregated results only. Now let's get technical with the official definition. According to Snowflake's documentation, a Snowflake Clean Room is a native solution that makes it easy to build, connect, and use secure environments for privacy-preserving data collaboration. The key phrase here is privacy-preserving. This isn't just about data sharing. It's about sharing insights while protecting the underlying sensitive information. Now, every clean room collaboration involves two key roles. Let me show you this clearly in our next diagram. Look at the top of this diagram. We have the blue provider responsibilities on the left and green consumer responsibilities on the right. The hospital becomes a provider. They own the sensitive data and create the clean room. The pharmaceutical company becomes a consumer. They want to analyze the data for their research. Notice how the arrows show both parties contributing to the central clean room space, but with very different roles and responsibilities. Remember this key distinction. Providers control what can be done with the data, while consumers perform the actual analysis. One organization can be a provider for one clean room and a consumer for another. Imagine you are working for a major retailer like Target, and a consumer goods company like Unilever wants to measure the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns on your platform. Unilever needs to understand, did customers who saw their ads actually purchase their products in Target stores? Here is the challenge. Target has sensitive customer purchase data, and Unilever has advertising exposure data. Neither party wants to share their raw data with each other. Look at this business scenario. On the left, Target shares aggregated purchase data, products bought, store locations, general customer demographics. But notice those red cross marks. Never individual customer identities. On the right, Unilever adds their advertising exposure data. The analysis happens in the secure clean room in the center. And look at the results. We get comprehensive business insights shown in purple, plus that green win-win outcome at the bottom. This is a perfect example of how clean rooms create value for both parties while protecting privacy. Here is an advanced concept that demonstrates the sophistication of Snowflake's clean room capabilities. A consumer can actually run analysis across multiple clean rooms from different providers in a single request. Look at the top where we have three different retailers: Target, Walmart, and Best Buy, each acting as providers with their own clean rooms. The market research company acts as the consumer, running a single analysis across all three clean rooms to get comprehensive market insights. Notice how the arrows converge into the central multi-provider analysis environment. And the result is a single unified insight that would be impossible to achieve with traditional data sharing methods. Snowflake provides two main ways to work with clean rooms, and you should be aware of both. Look at the green box on the left. That's the web app interface designed for business users with point and click functionality. On the right in blue, we have the developer APIs for technical users who need programmatic control. But notice that crucial point at the bottom. Both approaches connect to the same clean room infrastructure. Whether you're using the simple web interface or complex APIs, you get the same privacy protection and security controls. While you won't be coding clean room APIs, understanding that both interfaces exist shows your knowledge of Snowflake's comprehensive approach to serving both technical and business users. Let me show you the complete architecture to tie everything together. The final diagram shows the complete picture. On the left in blue, we have the provider organization with both the data owners and the people who control the clean room. On the right in green, the consumer organization with their data and analysts. Look at the yellow clean room section in the center. This is where the magic happens. Provider data with controlled access joins with consumer data, and the analysis engine produces aggregated insights. Those red cross marks showing what never comes out. No individual records, no raw data, no personal identifiers. Let me emphasize the security features that make clean rooms so powerful for sensitive data scenarios. Differential privacy. This is a mathematical approach to privacy that adds carefully calculated noise to query results. This protects against attacks where someone tries to reverse engineer individual records by running multiple similar queries. Column and row policies. Providers can control exactly which column consumers can access and set filters on which rows are available for analysis. Template controls. Providers define specific analysis templates that consumers can run, preventing unauthorized data exploration. Let me summarize what we have covered today, because these are the points you need to remember. Clean rooms enable secure data collaboration where organizations can gain insights from shared data without exposing sensitive information. Provider-consumer model defines clear roles and responsibilities for data sharing. Multiple access methods serve both business users and technical developers. Real-world applications span industries from retail and advertising to healthcare and finance. Advanced security features like differential privacy protects against data privacy attacks. The key takeaway here is that Cleanroom represents the future of data collaboration. As privacy regulations continue to tighten worldwide, organizations need solutions that enable powerful analytics while protecting sensitive information. Snowflake Clean Rooms deliver exactly that, the ability to gain valuable insights without ever exposing raw data. If this video helped you understand how Snowflake enables privacy-preserving data collaboration, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes really help other data professionals discover this content. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm creating comprehensive Snowflake training content every week, covering everything from basic architecture to advanced features like these clean rooms. Whether you're just starting with Snowflake or looking to master its enterprise capabilities, there is something here for you. Now, here is a question for you. What's the most interesting use case you can think of for Snowflake clean rooms? Maybe it's in healthcare, finance, retail, or even a completely different industry I haven't covered. Drop your ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear about the creative ways you think organizations could use privacy-preserving data collaboration. Your comment might inspire my next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep building.